my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
My brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country
and I am proud of its rich and very heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents,
I shall respect my parents,
teachers, and elders. I shall treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you, sir.